This is Dolphin Bay, Atlantis upon. I'm going to explain to you a little bit about our fantastic new dive program that we have. You can come here to dive with a dolphin and you're going to go under the water, be able to do some fun things with them. The full program is actually an hour and a half. So first of all, you'll be brought to one of the orientations that we have here, and one of the trainers will brief you on exactly what you will be doing with the dolphin on that day. To do the dive program, you do have to be PADI certified. You have to be an open water diver. Now, after your orientation, you'll be brought outside, kitted up into all of your dive gear, and then taken into the water. The first couple of minutes, you're going to be in the shallow water area, and you're just going to get to know the animal. You get to touch them, you even get to feed them a fish, which actually is the only program at Dolphin Bay where you're able to feed a fish to the dolphin as well. Then you're going to head right outside and you're going to drop down. It's a 3-meter depth to the bottom of the lagoon. Down there, the dolphin's going to swim by, so you can really feel them, you can touch them, you're going to hear them doing some vocals, and then you're even going to do a kiss, a hug, a dorsal toe, which is a ride holding onto the fin from one point of the lagoon to the other under the water. It's an extremely controlled program. It's the most exclusive program that we have. It's 6 guests maximum that go in the water at a time with the dolphin. And with those 6 guests, we have 3 different trainers. So we have an A trainer that's just there to take care of the dolphin. We have a B trainer that's just there to look after the guests and show them what to do. And we also have a safety diver that just kind of sits back and takes a look to see if anyone needs any help at any time. And underneath the water, we're actually communicating to the dolphins using hand signals, which is what we do whether we're above the water or below the water, so no communication is lost when we go down there. Everything that we ask the dolphins to do, we do using our hands. They're then going to go and perform a certain behavior that we ask. Every time that they do something correct, we use positive reinforcement, which can of course be fish, as everyone expects, but it can also be our attention as well. Because we have this relationship with them, they find our attention very rewarding. So we can give them lots of rubs, touches, we can touch them, and that works under the water perfectly with them as well. So we can mix and match to make it a very positive and motivating experience for the dolphins as well as the guests. We have a number of different programs, but this one is my favorite. It's completely different when you're all the way under the water and the dolphin is right there in front of you. In the shallow water, you kind of feel like you're meeting the dolphin on common ground. There, you're still half shallow, or you're kind of in the water. The dive program, you're completely in their world, all the way underneath the water. It's quiet, nobody's talking, it's just you, the animal, and you just come out feeling like it's been a life-changing experience.